Welcome to Dhara Education. This is Saboni Dhara once again presenting 12th Standard Commerce Stream videos which are based on new syllabus of Maharashtra Board Max 2 Chapter number 1 Commission, Brokerage and Discount.
Welcome students, this is Sabuni Dhara once again in Dhara Education, and today I am going to show you the continuation part of the last video for the 12th Standard Commerce and chapter number 1 of Max 2, that is Commission, Brokerage and Discount. So let's start. I want to tell you one more thing. If you have any doubts regarding my videos or on the solution part, please don't forget to comment in the comment box so that I can approach your doubt and I can clear in the next session of the videos. And also, if you really like my videos, don't forget to click the like button, that is thumbs up, and subscribe my channel which is given over here. Okay? And try to share with your friends and families. Thank you so much for your love. Thanks. So students, now we will going to see the auctioneer, the next term of this chapter, a very important term which is called as auctioneer. So auctioneer means what? Before starting with the auctioneer, I want to tell you something about auction which is written over here. Okay, so auction means in Hindi it is called as nilam. Okay, nilam in the sense it means that if you want to sell out in a publicly for the most highly paid price is known as auction. और जो auction करवाते हैं, the person who do the auction, he is called as actually auctioneer. He is called as auctioneer. Okay, so let's start. And auctioneer is an agent. So he is also called as what? Agent who sells goods by auction. So with the process of auction, he used to sell the goods. Okay, and he is also playing a role of an agent, which you need to understand. Another point, he sells goods to the highest bidder. So highest, it is only his duty to sell the goods to the highest bidder. So what do you mean by bidder? Bidder means the person who, so bidder means what? Bidder means it is a person who do the bid at the highest value to the party. Okay, so in Hindi it is called as nilam karwane wala vyakti, a person who do the auction and he sell out all those goods at the highest bid. Okay, almost the most highest bid in the auction. He is known as a bidder. So for example, if you really think like in some of the pictures, in some of the films, most of the bid, when the bid is going to be happened in that particular criteria, a person who is sitting in front of them and he is using hammering to finalize that amount only, the most highest paid amount, and then he used to hammer on the desk. It means that it is the last and the most highest bid where a person is going to give against of that particular goods. So that is what called bidder. So please don't get confused on this. Auctioneer means he is an agent who sells goods by the auction procedure, and he also sells goods to the highest bidder. So he used to try the things to be make as a most highest price for the goods or for the commodities or whatever it is in the place of a public market. Okay, so many a times what happens, you know, when a principal is bid with the highest value in the auctioneer procedure, the auctioneer, what he does, he don't even disclose the name or the details of that particular principal. Principal is a person who has done the highest bidder in the end of the auction, and he is as regarded, he is awarded as that particular goods and for in the auction. That's it. So students, this is the another term, that is factor. A factor is an agent who is given the possession of goods and enters a contract for sale in his or her own name. So factor means what? He is also an agent. He is also an agent, but he is an agent who is given the possession. So what do you mean by possession? Possession means to own something, okay? To own the goods. Say for example, if there is a bag, my handbag is there. So my handbag is possessed to me only. Why? Because I am the owner of that particular bag. I am the owner of that particular bag because I have purchased it. Correct? So that is why I have a possession of my own bag. Okay? Like that, it is a factor is an agent who is given the possession of good, who is given the ownership of goods and enters into a contract. He is a person who owns the goods and enters into a contract for the purpose to sell his or her name. His or her name, so that he can sell out those goods to make his or her own name. So, in a simple words, you can say that a factor is a trader who sells and purchases goods or plots, something like that, for the to earn commission on against of that particular thing. So that's why this definition, or you can say this term particularly, means the same. A factor is an agent who is given the possession of goods and enters into a contract for sale for in an or her own name. It means, for example, like colonial agent, you can say, like for example a building contractor, you can say. Okay, so those are the examples for the factor. So now this is another term which is called as del creditor agent. So what does it mean actually? So let's start. A del creditor agent gives guarantee to his principal that the party to whom he or she sells the goods will pay the sale amount of the goods. It means what? It's just to take an example. For example, Mr. A is a principal. Okay, and he wished to sell out some of the goods in the market. So he approaches to Mr. B, and Mr. B is an agent. Correct? Now, whatever the goods he wished to sell out in the market, he is giving a surety to the principal that okay, I will going to sell out in the market. Okay, so he approaches in the market. He used to ask to the other investors who are interested to purchase such goods. Say for example, if C is interested to purchase such goods, so he will say okay, I will going to purchase this, but I cannot pay right now complete amount, that is 100%. I am not able to pay off. I will pay only 70% first and later on 30% in future date. So 70% is already cleared by Mr. C. He is a third party. Okay, so he is a third party, and remaining balance of 30% he will pay after 2 days. But if in case he is unable to pay after 2 days also, that this 30%, so he will going to bond for this goods to Mr. A, because he is already given an assurity to Mr. A, that is the principal, that I am going to sell out all your goods. Okay, and he will not going to just take from his pocket, but also he will going to approach to C to recover this particular 30%. So it is a complete assurity given by Mr. B. So Mr. B is who? He is an agent, but it is the agent which is called as del crede agent. So he is giving assurity to the principal that I'm going to sell out all your goods, okay, in the market, and also going to claim all the amount from the third party. Am I clear? Now students, this is another point which is in the del crede agent. One more point is over here, that if a buyer is unable to pay after the transaction is completed, a del crede agent is liable for the payment. It means what? As I told you before also with the example, that if A is a principal, B is a del crede agent, and C is the third party. If he unable to pay to the transaction towards B, so B has to pay to the principal. Anyhow, he will going to borne all the loss. Okay. So if he has already paid 70% and the balance remaining 30% he is unable to pay and he went, whatever the reason will be. So the Mr. B has to pay all 30% to Mr. A, because he is which agent? He is a del crede agent. That is a del crede agent. He is liable for the payment. So for this particular transaction also, sometimes even a del crede agent is going to get additional commission for this from the principal. Okay, if he is born to give extra money from his own pocket to principal, he will going to give the extra commission also for that. So those commissions are called as what? Del crede commission, which is usually he will going to get little bit more as compared to the unusual or usual commission.
Do subscribe my channel by clicking on bell icon. Like by hitting like button. Comment your doubts and views. Share with your family and friends. Thank you so much students for watching my videos.